When it comes to finding the best PC case for you, there's a lot to consider. First and foremost, you have to consider airflow. Keeping your hardware cool, whether it's a high-end system with one of the best graphics cards or just a basic PC with a cheap CPU, and noise levels as low as possible is paramount to good system performance and your own peace of mind. There's a lot to consider when choosing the best PC case, even in that small facet of case design. A massive variables affected, from the number of included fans and total fan mount locations, to sound dampening material and overall shape and design. The list is long.
Define R5 is an entirely new case from the ground up. Our designers literally went back to the drawing board to create it, taking cues from its predecessors while including the needs of our loyal customers. To better understand the advancements in the R5, it is helpful to look at the similarities it shares with the Define R4. Both cases were designed with a focus not only on silent operation and minimalistic design, but also performance and the flexibility to cater to the needs of individual users. The Define R5 further improves upon the sound deadening measures of its predecessors while offering even greater flexibility. Since their inception, our Moduvent panels have been designed to give end users the ability to precisely tailor their setup for their own personal optimum silence versus airflow balance. The Define R5 Moduvent panels have been further enhanced, featuring toolless implementation, larger surface area, and greater installation flexibility to accommodate a multitude of setups. The front door of the Define R5 has undergone a transformation. We heard you loud and clear when you asked for a door that could open on either side. However, we waited until we could provide a design that was not only simple to use, but robust enough to withstand the rigors of daily use. Intake dust filters can save your system from the performance-robbing effects of interior dust buildup. However, like any filter, they require maintenance to perform optimally. The Define R5 makes this even easier. Simply open the front door panel and you have instant access to both the front and bottom panel filters for easy cleaning. You love the R4, but you wanted even greater liquid cooling support. We listened. From the onset, the Define R5 has been designed to show that high-performance liquid cooling and quiet operation are not mutually exclusive. You can have both. The R5 offers truly impressive amounts of liquid cooling potential, supporting up to a 420mm radiator in the top panel or a 360mm radiator in the front panel. Even support for up to 3 240mm radiators simultaneously. The drive cage system of the Define R4 represented industry-leading mounting flexibility when it was introduced. The drive cage setup in the Define R5 has been reworked to provide even greater performance. Not only are all drive cages, including optical drive, fully removable, the hard drive and SSD cages represent the most flexible mounting options to date. The drive trays themselves have even been redesigned to provide 100% improvement in airflow over previous versions. We want your experience with the Define R5 to be painless, and that even includes access to the internals. To provide quick yet secure access to the component side of your case, we have implemented a quick release system for the left side panel to grant you effortless access, a feature normally reserved for much more expensive cases. To make your build even easier, the Define R5 features an entirely new motherboard tray with a larger CPU cutout, an alignment pin for effortless motherboard installation, and even more space for cable routing. Cable tie-down points have been strategically located throughout the case, and new pre-mounted Velcro tie-down straps grant quick and easy control over unruly cables. No detail has been overlooked in the creation of the Define R5. The instruction manual is designed to be truly helpful, with thorough explanations and illustrations that can guide someone through their first build, while also explaining all of the optional features clearly in a way that is a benefit to even advanced builders. We created the Define R5 for you. We listened to your feedback and we strive to make improvements in every aspect. Thank you for helping us create the Define R5.
The NZXT H500 expands on our vision for modern PC building and improves upon the best features found on our most popular cases. With an intuitive design and performance-optimized layout, the H500 makes it easier than ever for you to build and show off your PC like never before. We've simplified the entire building process by reimagining cable management solutions to easily accommodate all types of builds. With an integrated cable management kit and a repositionable cable management bar, tuck away cables and spend less time managing the clutter. with a removable front radiator bracket and integrated reservoir mount. Installing all-in-one liquid coolers or assembling custom water cooling loops is painless inside or outside the case. The entire layout is optimized for excellent airflow and provides enough space for you to install hardware in multiple configurations. From our quick-release SSD mounts, PSU shroud, and motherboard tray to our vertical graphics card support, available on the H500i. Customize your build for performance. Integrated RGB lighting and fan control is available on our H500i to builders who want those features built into the case without having to install them. The H500i comes with pre-installed smart device with integrated lighting and fan control, as well as adaptive noise reduction functionality.
From the manufacturer, make it yours. We're all about the things that make building a PC such a rewarding experience. The sense of achievement, the joy of making and creating something uniquely yours in form and function, and, of course, the thrill of bringing your creation to life without melting your components. Cosmos C700M raising the bars. The Cosmos series is known for pushing the limits of cooler master case technology. The freedom in layout organization and the support for unique graphics card mounting make custom building accessible right out of the box.